Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily go offline in Steam application using your PC or your laptops. So going offline in Steam is super easy. First of all, launch open your Steam application on your laptop or your PC and make sure that you're logged into your account properly. Once you're logged into your Steam account, you'll be able to see this little friends pop up over here. Simply go ahead and click the drop down right next to your account name in the pop-up, and you'll then be able to open up this little pop-up menu where you need to click on offline. So now after you click offline, you'll be able to stay offline in Steam. You'll be signed out of friends and chat once you choose to be offline. So that is how you can easily appear offline in Steam application using your PC or your laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.